Hey Internet. My relationship with crypto platforms basically started as a research project that got out of hand. I was trying to understand something completely unrelated, ended up on a forum, followed a thread, and 4 hours later I was reading about blockchain infrastructure at like midnight on a Tuesday. That was a few years back. Since then, it's turned into this ongoing thing where I'm constantly poking at new services, cross-referencing claims, figuring out what actually holds up. Most of it doesn't, but occasionally something does, and that's sort of what today is about. Flash BTC technology is what I've had going for roughly 2 months now, and what's kept it in the picture is that it's just steady. No functionality that disappeared between sessions, no pricing that quietly shifted, no terms that got rewritten when I wasn't paying attention. Everything it said it would do on day one, it's still doing now. In a space where that's apparently difficult to pull off, it stands out.
Okay, so running through the actual platform, first thing you're dealing with is package selection. 4 options laid out, pricing's up front. Each one has a recommended use case attached. Selecting this one here. All right, then visibility duration. They give you a range from 1 hour to 1 week. So I'm going with 7 days for what I'm walking through today. Okay, moving forward, network selection first. Okay, that's good. Then the target address field, switching over to my wallet, copying my BTC address, jumping back, dropping it in, looks correct, then hitting get flash to proceed. Nice deposit screen appears. 2 paths showing here, direct send or wallet connection. Going with direct send, it's more straightforward to watch in real time. And I like that this part isn't rigid, like you can come in with whichever coin is just sitting in your wallet, so I'm choosing this one. And great, 10 Bitcoins are deployed and on their way. Balance confirmation takes a few minutes, so just let it run.
All right, while that's processing, here's what's actually built my trust in this one over time. The consistency is real, not surface level. I'm talking same experience across every session, no hidden changes, no features that work differently depending on when you log in. Support is another thing I actually tested. Sent technical questions a couple times, specifically to see what came back, and got responses that addressed what I actually asked, rather than just pointing me to an FAQ page. And the big one, on-chain verification is independent and accessible. Every transaction that's supposed to exist on the blockchain actually shows up on public explorers, with no affiliation to this platform whatsoever. That's not a small thing. That's the difference between a number on a screen and something you can actually confirm yourself.
Okay guys, links in the description if you want to get into it. But look, the way I see it, 2 months of my experience with this platform is 2 months of my experience. Your testing is going to be different, your use case is different, and honestly, the only evaluation that's ever going to mean anything to you is the one you run yourself. Thanks for watching.